Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to PopFizzPaper. In today's video, I wanted to share with you all of the projects that I made for the Happy Mail people over in the Patreon Crafty Club. If you are not a member of the Crafty Club and you are thinking about joining or you're curious about what it's about, I will leave a link to it down below. I have recently made some pretty big changes as far as the tier levels and rewards, and you guys actually get way more content and stuff over there now, so definitely go take a look. So the first up is this little mini album. So I made kind of 4 versions of these, so I'm gonna do like one of these and then a different project and then another one just to kind of break it up a little bit. But I've got some washi samples here. This is a little ATC coin that will be up in the Crafty Club. The process video for one of these will be up in the Crafty Club as well as exclusive videos. So I just made some little tags, and this is intended to be a mini album with the new crepe paper all heart little frames, so these fit really nicely on here. You could put them on the little pull-outs I have and stuff, so I think this is super cute. This is actually like a little tuck spot there. So fun. I love this layout. This is one of my favorites that I made. There's a little envelope here. And again, each page has a little pull-out section. I did a little label at the back. I think it's funny. So I made this one. I also made a really cute pocket letter. This was in one of the Crafty Club live streams. I'm not gonna flip it over because there's already goodies in the back and I don't want to ruin the surprise, but I think this is so pretty. I love all the colors. Yeah, I love it. I think it's gorgeous. Another little mini album. I think these charms are really fun. I made these again. It's another exclusive video over in the club, and I did throughout all of these projects use the new crepe paper all heart collection. I love it so much. And I made like these little shaker pouches which they can cut open and use the goodies if they want, or leave as they are or whatever. You're not turning. So there's lots of room for journaling. Again, more room for kind of layered photos. Maybe on top of this vellum. I love this little pocket. I think that's so cool. So yeah, and I did this a lot here on the sides where I edged like the phrases up against the side of the panel or whatever. So I think that's cool. And then this one has a little flip up. So fun, lots of room for journaling. They could add more pictures, like one would fit here, you know, underneath. They could even layer it like that. I don't know. So we got that. So fun. So there's that one. I also created a little hoop mail, and I love how this turned out. I was trying to have kind of like a very soft, almost vintagey kind of feel to it, but not overly vintagey and sweet and all that. And I really wanted to have the flowers kind of go around like this. That way when the person takes out all the goodies that are going to go in here, it will still look really nice. They could put it on their wall or something, or store things in here. I don't know. So I think that is really cute. So this front panel is a shaker, which I think is fun. I did have to bump this up on some foam. There's lots of different dimension going on. There's flowers kind of tucked in the back there. And then on the back, it looks like this. There's more stitched detailing. You might have noticed that I went a little bit crazy with my sewing machine this month. And then there's a little pocket back here too. So, you know, if she wanted to store pictures back here or write on this, she could, or I don't know. Or even like hang it this way on her wall if she wanted to. I don't know. So I think that's really fun. I love the shaker. I didn't plan ahead very much. I didn't realize so much of it would be covered up. But it's okay. Alright, so another little mini album. I think this one is super cute too. And all the fronts have these shaker pages. And then these little ATC coins actually come pretty easily off the front. And then they could put something over the center here, or take off the little glue dot and use some alphas, or whatever, you know, they want to do. They can customize this. I tried to make it pretty customizable. So again, little things, so cute. Love this one. Just a little pull slot. Oops. Again, another little angly bit there. This one has a little flip up thing. You know, you could put pictures, you know, anywhere in here too. Again, This is one of those shaker thingies, a little pocket. And I am including actually in the Happy Mail packages for them to go along with these albums and things, a pack of these puffy frames. So they have the frames that match and that go with it, you know, and stuff like that. You can even put pictures on the back. All right, so there's that one. I also created this really fun envelope flip book. You can see kind of how intense that is. I think it's really cool though. So I'm just gonna slide off the twine. Actually, I could retie it nicely. That's fine. Okay, so we'll do that. So that is like that. Again, you know, the shaker situation and the little ATC coin. I do have a video on these. I think I mentioned that already. I don't know. I think this is so fun. Very shiny. And then you open it like this. So pictures. There's like a little pocket here. This is a little shaker inside. Just kind of like a little flippy page in the middle. And then this opens like this. And then this is a tuck spot here. This is one of those little shaker things. And these are all, you know, little tuck things. So you could stuff this thing pretty full. You could journal on some of these. Like this one would be good to journal on. You know, whatever you want to do, you do you. So that is that. And then this flips like this. And then we have this little situation here. Just a couple little journaling spots if they want to use them for that or whatever. There's another journal thing here. Super cute. Like you could even like glue these down here, put the picture on the top or something. Or like you could do that. I don't know. You know, and then have like a little tuck thing. Actually, this would probably be better. Something like that. Like that would be really cute. So I hope that, you know, the people who receive these are able to use them in creative ways. So this one goes like this. Some more journaling, you know, another photo area. I'm gonna put some goodies in here, and then this is like a little envelope, bunch of stitching. Yes, and then this is the back. So again, this is like a little tucky thing, just to try to keep things super versatile, you know, for the people who are receiving these. I have one more of these little mini albums. I'm just gonna go pretty quickly through this one. I think this is the one I have a video on, so if you're interested in seeing the process of this, definitely check out the Crafty Club. So for $5 a month, you get access to all of my exclusive videos, get access to the private live streams, private Facebook group, which is really fun. We do polls and challenges every month, and actually gonna start organizing a swap soon, so that's cool. So that'll be fun. And this is the last album like this. I also created a whole bunch of sticker sets for, again, Patreon people. So these two actually come in one big set, and I just split the sets up so that, you know, one person gets the mats, another person gets the glitters, and then that way there was enough for everyone and it wasn't too crazy expensive to kind of treat people. So they're getting, you know, essentially a fresh pack of really fun alphas, you know, a new pack of these puffy frame things that are brand new from the collection, some really fun Happy Mail, and then also an original postcard. So this is the one I made. I like did the sewn strips again. I like to make the postcards kind of themed to the Happy Mail. I think it's fun that way. And then the people who don't get the Happy Mail packages still get a taste of like what I was using that month. So yeah, so again, the crepe paper all heart collection. I did those rip strips, sewn them down, added some stickers, and then I really wanted to make sure that I use this pink like sassy cat because he's so funny and I wanted to share him with as many people as I could. So that is everything that I created for the Crafty Club members recently. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you'd like to join the Crafty Club or sign up for the Happy Mail waitlist, definitely check out the club down below. There will be more information over there. But that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys again soon in my next Crafty Share. Bye!